A very warm greetings to all our viewers. We had a good run up on Nifty. Bank Nifty kind of consolidated last week. And this weekend is turning out to be a lot of a lot of things happening on the geopolitical front and also on Japan front. So it would be very interesting to see how the Nifty and the Bank Nifty perform in the coming week. And for that, we have our expert Hussain here. So Hussain, over to you for analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty trajectory based on the NeoWave for the coming trading week.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So we had met last Sunday. I'm just going to point out where, or rather, how much price action we had. You will see this was Friday, the last 75-minute candle. ठीक है ना? So
Yep.
based on this price action, we had said कि देखिए, we have had a move from here. I'm just going to take my brush. We had a move from here. This was a zigzag pattern. This movement to the top side might be in 5 waves, right? This is what we had identified. And we had said, let the price action confirm our bias. We may move in a 5 leg pattern
Right.
for
Right.
wave C.
So that
We had
precisely
also,
worked the way we had anticipated.
G sir, it
Yeah.
went as we had anticipated. However, sir, last Sunday, we had taken 2 cases, and the second one was be a little cautious. The index has run up. Pay attention to this 0B trend line, right? This purple thick line. We had said pay attention to this. Whenever this crosses or the prices break this 0B trend line, there is a good chance that we may move to the downside. मतलब basically ऊपर का थोड़ा खत्म हो गया है.
Right. Right.
Okay, sir. I'm just removing that and we'll see based on the price action that took place, what can we see? So based on the analysis that we had done when we met the last time, we had said कि देखिए ये 5 wave move है, 0B trend line cut हुआ तो चौकन्ना हो जाना, be a little cautious. On Friday, sir, the 0B trend line broke. I will just mark it out for you. I'm talking about this break over here of the purple line.
Right.
So the break of that 0B trend line meant whatever pattern was in formation is over. And if your analysis is correct, you should get a stage 1 and stage 2 confirmation, right? Stage 1 confirmation is represented by this green box. And I will just zoom in so that you can see it easily. This is the green box that I'm talking of. It represents the time taken by wave 5.
Mhm.
Once I see that prices are moving to the downside, the entire 5th wave should be taken out in same or less time than wave 5 took to form.
Mm.
The low of wave 5 was 53,792.
Right.
That had to be breached.
Mm. Mm.
Okay? In essence, we have stage 1 confirmation. So we also need to consider the pattern in totality. And all I'm doing now, sir, is I'm taking this trend-based FIBO. I'm taking it from the start point to the end of point A and projecting it from the end of point B. I'm going to pull it to the side so that you can see the numbers. So you will see that we have moved almost 261%. I'll just take this purple line out. Yeah, you will see this, mark it out for you. We've moved almost 261%, or rather, wave C has gone 261% of wave A.
Yeah, that's a
Okay?
very strong move. Very, very strong.
Absolutely, sir. That's a very bullish move. That tells me that market is inching higher and higher. है ना? Let me come back to my writing. Second. Okay. So based on this data, we are taking 3 cases for the coming week. Okay. Also, please consider that Wednesday is a vacation. Wednesday is a trading holiday. It's 2nd October. So in case 1, and considering the pattern of a zigzag, whenever wave C is larger than wave A by more than 161%, in our case, I just showed you we are 261%. There is a high probability that we may be forming an X wave. Okay. In this situation, sir, it's very easy for me to explain X wave to you.
Right.
since the market has run so much, it is just taking a pause and taking a water break. That's it.
Mm, mm.
Okay, this would be my case one.
Yeah,
In
that is very
essence,
logical also because after such a run up, stage two confirming means there has to be something very drastic for it to give you a stage two confirmation.
absolutely, sir. Absolutely, sir. So
And
I've taken that
yep,
unforeseen case also as case three because it is possible. That's why we will discuss it. I'll just finish off case one, sir.
sure, sure.
As of right now, this top of 54,467, I will say is an important top. Okay. In the week to follow, I would want to see, sir, some pattern forming over here. Okay. Some kind of pattern will form here. That is what I want to see. What pattern forms, we will know in the next couple of days. That pattern most probably will be an X wave. And whenever it is completed, okay, whenever it is completed, you will then see a move to the top side.
Right. And the X wave itself could be a pattern in itself, right? Like, for
Absolutely,
example,
sir.
it could be a triangle.
It could be any triangle, it could be a flat. As of right now, sir, considering the time that we have leading up to, the next important event that we are going to see on 9th of October, I'm saying that, dekhe, let's give it a couple of days. Anyways, we will come back and I will update you in case there is, something that I see and we can put it on Twitter also. Uh, so I'm going to take my case two. If this high is taken out with thrust, okay, that means I'm saying something like this. This was the Friday's price action. I'm just going to mark it again with my brush. This was a Friday price action.
Yep.
On Monday, this kind of move is a little unexpected, but let's say कि हमारा जो भी marking है, हम गलत पड़ जाते हैं, right? We always take the opposite case so that we can stay objective and we don't get biased. So something like this happens, we will have to reconsider our count. Okay, that's for my case two. So my case three is that in case of some unforeseen, unprecedented event, okay, कल उठ के कुछ बहुत बड़ा वॉर छिड़ जाता है या ऐसी कोई बहुत खराब न्यूज आ जाती है. So in that case, yes, we may see stage two confirmation also, and that is 53,000, 53,037. Something like this would happen if there is a news that impacts the financial condition of our economy in totality. Okay, so I'm saying that my case three is unforeseen, unprecedented event.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this would be my
That is
analysis
always
on.
a possibility. So, but most likely it seems like forming an X wave. If
Yes, sir. That would be
one
my
has to
case one.
stick a neck out and say what would happen, then that would be X wave.
G sir, absolutely.
Great,
Absolutely.
great.
Yeah. So this would be my analysis on Bank Nifty. I'll just switch it to Nifty.
Sure, sure.
So when we met last Friday, we had said कि देखिए Nifty is in a league of its own. It does not look like it wants to, come down. There is a high chance that we will go up till 26,200. We made a top of 26,277. As in, I'm going to say we made a high of 26,277. Okay? So on Friday, Nifty, we could see some weakness. These are the candles. I'm just going to mark them out. These are the Friday price action. You will see that it is drifting to the downside.
Hmm.
Whenever price action is drifting to downside, it's a sign of weakness. That's it. Okay? There
Yep.
is a sign of weakness. However, sir, in NeoWave, we always want to see thrust in a particular direction, right? Where we can see prices are visibly moving towards this purple line. That is what I wanted to see. So far, I haven't got that. Okay, so I'm a little cautious. Yes, क्या ये यहां तक आ जाएगा? हम वो केस ले रहे हैं, but till the time it actually happens, I'm a little doubtful as well. And for that reason, sir, the reason I'm saying, I'm cautious is because Bank Nifty is about 31% of the Nifty index. Now, you saw the price action on Friday. Whatever up move was there in Bank Nifty, that has come to a pause. if Bank Nifty is going to make any movement to downside, obviously Nifty पे भी affect होगा. My case one, I'm saying that if this Friday high is taken out of 26,277, since I don't have any kind of thrust to the downside, if this high is taken out, we may go towards 26,350 to 26,400.
Wow.
Okay. I'll just repeat. If the Friday high is taken out, we may see further upward towards 26,350 to 26,400.
Yeah, and
So
very
my
much
case,
possible because we have certain other sectors other than the bank
absolutely, absolutely, sir. And if
contributing. They
you've
may contribute to it.
seen, Nifty Metals has been doing very well, sir, this last one.
Yeah.
So taking my case number two, considering that we are seeing weakness in Bank Nifty, and if it has an impact on Nifty, we may see some depressed price action. In essence, we may move towards the purple line. Those levels are 25,950 to 25,850. This purple line is important. I'm just going to zoom out on my chart. We had identified a pattern over here. We had taken this as a triangle. This was the breakout. I'll just use my brush to point it out to you. This we had taken as wave A. We had taken this as wave B, and this was wave C. In Bank Nifty also, we had a 0B trend line which was broken. In Nifty, nothing of that sort happened. So I'm going to say that in the coming week, considering that we are also going into an event, I'm going to say शायद तो ये purple line breach हो सकता है 25,950 to 25,850. This would be my analysis on the Nifty index.
Great.
जी
So I think you have covered it very nicely, both Bank Nifty and Nifty.
जी sir.
And Bank Nifty may consolidate, forming an X wave. Chances of triangle is high. So maybe a good time for the option sellers, but option buyers need to be cautious. Nifty probably may still continue its upside run. So we will have to watch how it plays out. With that, we would like to close this video and wishing all our viewers a very, very profitable trading week ahead. Thank you so much and goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.